But first things first, I want to get rid of this. This is a very old duvet cover. It's stained, it's got makeup all over it. I want to get rid of it, and I have a new set of duvet covers and throw to go on here. So I'm going to get that done. But this is looking so much tidier. I mean, I've got all my bags here. This is what I have to do with my bags right now, unfortunately, but at least they're tidied. So I'm going to get this off here. Okay, right. New bedding. I got my new bedding from White and Green. This is a very kind gift from those guys. Organic Fair Trade Luxury Bedding. This will be far, far nicer. Oh, it's got a bit of a goldy feel. It's lovely and soft. Wow. I've got, oh, I've only got 2 pillowcases. Okay, I'll buy 2 more pillowcases. Beautiful. So nice. Lovely that they're organic and fair trade as well. They honestly feel absolutely beautiful. They're so soft, and I've got a lovely king size. Oh, pretty with the buttons. Gorgeous wooden buttons on here. And again, it's got this gold around the outside. So this is going to be far more beautiful than the last one. And I also have a throw, a large blanket to go with it. Wow, that is soft and absolutely beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. Little tassels on the end. That is unbelievably soft. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, I love this. It's really warm as well because it's been in my airing cupboard to keep safe. So, right, let's get going. I had some other white pillows. Disaster of it. Looks so much fresher, cleaner, smarter. I really wanted to show off this beautiful line on here, so I've kind of tucked it over and given it this bit of a roll, which I think actually looks really nice. In honesty, I think I will buy another 2 pillowcases for here, and I'm not even going to lie to you guys, I want to iron it. I might just bring the iron in and run it over, to be honest, because for when I have guests over, I want this to look really perfect. I'm also going to give this bed head a bit of a clean. I'm just going to get a furniture polish and a cloth and just clean over it. Just give it a bit of a go. But it's looking so lovely and just so much more inviting now. When I've got all of my side tables, I've got a beautiful piece of artwork coming from over here by Ellie Pack, or Elle Pack, but I think it's Ellie Pack. Over here, that's going to really make that. And then when I've got all my side tables, and when all of this isn't here anymore, it'll just look like such a lovely cozy room with some cool touches.